Introduction to Ayurveda. Ayurveda, the ancient Indian system of medicine, has been gaining popularity in recent years as more people seek natural and holistic approaches to health and wellness. The word Ayurveda is derived from Sanskrit and translates to the science of life. It is a comprehensive system that focuses on maintaining balance and harmony within the body, mind, and spirit. In this movie, I will explore the principles, history, and benefits of Ayurveda, as well as how you can incorporate Ayurvedic practices into your daily routine for optimal health. Understanding the principles of Ayurveda. At the core of Ayurveda lies the belief that every individual is unique and has a distinct mind-body constitution, known as doshas. There are three primary doshas: Vata, Pitta, and Kapha. Each dosha represents different elements and qualities in the body, and when they are in balance, we experience good health. However, imbalances in the doshas can lead to various ailments. Ayurveda also emphasizes the importance of maintaining a healthy digestive system, as it is believed that proper digestion is the key to overall well-being. The food we eat is considered medicine, and Ayurveda provides guidelines on the types of foods that are most beneficial for each dosha. Additionally, Ayurveda recognizes the connection between the mind and body and the impact that emotions and stress can have on our health. We are grateful for your viewership of our movie. If you enjoyed it, we would be honored if you could consider subscribing to our channel. Your support enables us to produce more captivating movies for your enjoyment. Additionally, taking a moment to leave a comment would mean a lot to us. We sincerely thank you in advance for your support and feedback. The history and origins of Ayurveda. Ayurveda has a rich and ancient history that dates back over 5,000 years. It originated in the Indian subcontinent and was passed down through generations of sages and practitioners. The principles and practices of Ayurveda were documented in ancient texts known as the Vedas, specifically the Atharva Veda. These texts contain detailed explanations of the various aspects of Ayurveda, including anatomy, physiology, pathology, and treatment methods. Ayurveda was not only used for healing physical ailments, but also for spiritual growth and achieving a state of balance and harmony in all aspects of life. The benefits of Ayurveda for health and wellness. One of the main benefits of Ayurveda is its holistic approach to health and wellness. Unlike Western medicine, which often focuses on treating symptoms, Ayurveda aims to address the root cause of the problem. By understanding your unique mind-body constitution, an Ayurvedic practitioner can recommend personalized treatments and lifestyle modifications to restore balance and promote overall well-being. Ayurveda also places a strong emphasis on prevention and maintaining good health. Through practices such as daily self-care routines known as dinacharya and seasonal cleansing known as panchakarma, Ayurveda helps prevent diseases and promotes longevity. Ayurveda treatments and remedies for common ailments. Ayurveda offers a wide range of treatments and remedies for common ailments. These include herbal medicines, dietary modifications, lifestyle changes, body therapies, and meditation techniques. For example, Ayurvedic herbs such as ashwagandha and turmeric have been used for centuries to boost immunity, reduce inflammation, and promote overall well-being. In addition to herbal medicines, Ayurveda also emphasizes the importance of maintaining a healthy lifestyle. This includes following a balanced diet, practicing regular exercise, getting enough sleep, and managing stress. Ayurvedic treatments such as abhyanga, warm oil massage, and shirodhara, pouring of warm oil on the forehead, can help relax the body and mind, reduce stress, and promote deep relaxation. The Ayurveda Experience. How to incorporate Ayurvedic practices into your daily routine. Incorporating Ayurvedic practices into your daily routine doesn't have to be overwhelming. Start by identifying your dosha and understanding its unique characteristics. This can be done through consultation with an Ayurvedic practitioner or by taking online quizzes that assess your mind-body constitution. Once you know your dosha, you can make simple changes to align your lifestyle with Ayurvedic principles. For example, if you have a Vata dosha, which is associated with the elements of air and space, you can focus on incorporating warm, nourishing foods into your diet and establishing a regular routine to promote stability and grounding. Other Ayurvedic practices that can be easily integrated into your daily routine include tongue scraping to remove toxins, oil pulling to improve oral health, and self-massage with warm oil to nourish the skin and promote relaxation. By making these small but meaningful changes, you can experience the transformative power of Ayurveda in your own life. Ayurveda and holistic healing, the mind-body connection. Ayurveda recognizes the intimate connection between the mind and body. It understands that our thoughts, emotions, and beliefs can have a profound impact on our physical health. According to Ayurveda, imbalances in the doshas can be caused by mental and emotional factors such as stress, anxiety, and unresolved trauma. To address these imbalances, Ayurveda offers various mind-body practices such as meditation, pranayama, breathing exercises, and yoga. These practices help calm the mind, reduce stress, and promote emotional well-being. Ayurvedic practitioners also use techniques such as mantra chanting and aromatherapy to balance the doshas and enhance the mind-body connection. Ayurveda in modern medicine, integrative approaches to healthcare. In recent years, there has been a growing interest in integrating Ayurveda with modern medicine. Many healthcare professionals are recognizing the value of Ayurvedic principles and practices in promoting health and wellness. Integrative approaches that combine Ayurveda with conventional medicine are being used to treat a wide range of conditions, from chronic pain to autoimmune disorders. For example, Ayurvedic treatments such as panchakarma have been found to be effective in detoxifying the body and reducing inflammation. Ayurvedic herbs and dietary recommendations are also being used as adjunct therapies to support conventional treatments. As the field of integrative medicine continues to evolve, more research is being conducted to validate the effectiveness of Ayurvedic treatments. This integration of ancient wisdom with modern science holds great promise for the future of healthcare. Finding the right Ayurvedic practitioner or retreat. If you are interested in exploring Ayurveda further, it is important to find a qualified Ayurvedic practitioner or retreat. Look for practitioners who have received formal education and training in Ayurveda from reputable institutions. They should be able to assess your dosha, provide personalized recommendations, and guide you on your Ayurvedic journey. When choosing an Ayurvedic retreat, consider factors such as the location, reputation, and the credentials of the practitioners. Look for retreats that offer a comprehensive approach to Ayurveda, including consultations, treatments, and educational programs. The future of Ayurveda, trends and developments in the industry. As more people embrace Ayurveda and experience its transformative benefits, the industry is evolving and expanding. In recent years, there has been an increase in Ayurvedic products and services, including herbal supplements, skincare products, and spa treatments. There's also a growing interest in Ayurveda among younger generations who are seeking natural and holistic approaches to health and wellness. As a result, Ayurvedic schools and training programs are becoming more popular, and there is a greater emphasis on evidence-based research to validate the effectiveness of Ayurvedic treatments. In the future, we can expect to see more integration of Ayurveda with mainstream healthcare, as well as advancements in personalized medicine based on Ayurvedic principles. The potential for Ayurveda to revolutionize the way we approach health and wellness is truly exciting. Conclusion: embracing Ayurveda for a natural and balanced life. In conclusion, Ayurveda offers a powerful and holistic approach to health and wellness. By understanding your unique mind-body constitution and incorporating Ayurvedic practices into your daily routine, you can experience the transformative benefits of this ancient system of medicine. Whether you are seeking relief from a specific ailment or simply looking to enhance your overall well-being, Ayurveda provides a roadmap for achieving optimal health naturally. Embrace Ayurveda and embark on a journey of self-discovery and self-healing. Your body, mind, and spirit will thank you. Ready to harness the power of Ayurveda? Take the first step towards a natural and balanced life. Consult with an Ayurvedic practitioner or explore Ayurvedic retreats to start your Ayurveda experience today. We are grateful for your viewership of our movie. If you enjoyed it, we would be honored if you could consider subscribing to our channel. Your support enables us to produce more captivating movies for your enjoyment. Additionally, taking a moment to leave a comment would mean a lot to us. We sincerely thank you in advance for your support and feedback.